Welcome to the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Paystack Action Automation for workflows. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Click on Install and then click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. Once you're done with your installation, reload the page. Then you head down and search for the custom page of the app. Click on it. Then you're going to see the interface of the app with all its necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with the app is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video and the configuration walkthrough video to guide you on how to set up your app. We have the setup center. No worries, let's walk you through. Click on Start Setup and you'll be required a private API key to complete your configuration. Let's head to the account which we've created online. Then you click on your settings. Click on the API keys and webhooks. Then click to show your test secret key. Copy the test secret key. Head to your account and paste. Then you click on Complete Setup. There you go, your app has been successfully set up and configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call for the support team. And as well, the change log feature that is going to enable you track all the updates and improvements made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.